We are Sarah and Dave, and usually we share our trips and vacations.
But on this video, I'm starting to build a camper inside our SUV, starting from this kitchen setup.
We never done anything like this before, but it's about time to learn how to use tools and actually build something.
Let's make it happen. Today, I'm building a kitchen inside our SUV, and I'm pretty excited about it. I'm bringing you guys with me. It's the first time I'm going to build something inside a car, and in general, I don't build things often. In addition to being a great opportunity to learn something new and build something, we want to travel more. So I've been planning this for a while now, from modeling it in a 3D program in my computer to researching online for other builds and buying all the necessary accessories and construction materials to do it, as well as making some changes in our car so we can travel farther and with better capabilities and safety features. Our vehicle is a 4x4 2017 Suzuki Vitara, which is amazing for the city since it's a pretty compact vehicle, and on the other hand also has some off-road capabilities. So let's jump and start measuring things. So we have a lot of weird shapes inside the car, so we have to take everything into consideration, from the trunk area to the back seats, which go a little bit higher. So the measurements are going to be as follow. We have something like 71 centimeters of length and 100. We have also these weird things in the sides of the car, so 97.5 centimeters of width. Another thing we want to take into consideration is the things that we are going to have in the kitchen. So let's place everything inside and see how it looks before we start with the build. So here we have the battery. It's just a small battery we bought. I don't know this company, Suzuki. It has 300 watts. It's supposed to hold the refrigerator for an entire night. We have the refrigerator, which is a Colorado refrigerator. It's a company that they are selling around here. 15-liter refrigerator, very nice, nothing too fancy. I mean, I guess it's going to be around this area. So it's going to be nice, you know, having this here and having the battery here. So if we want like a cold drink or something, we can just open and consider this as part of the kitchen platform, and having here a drawer which will hold the stove, the portable stove, and some other stuff, maybe utensils, I don't know. And the whole construction, which is going to wrap everything. And the reason, I forgot to say that the reason for deciding that this is going to be the same height of the top platform is because I'm planning to have a full platform to the front of the car, so we can also sleep inside of the car. And we want to maximize the headroom, and also it looks like the refrigerator is in the same level of the highest point of the back seats that are right now folded. I'm going to build this platform together with Sarah's dad. We're currently staying at his house, and he doesn't want to be introduced, so play along. Alright, so I think I'm ready to cut all the pieces needed. In general is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces at all to cut the whole platform, not including the drawer. With that said, I think it's time to start the actual build. Let's go for it. And look who's here. Wanna say hello to the vlog?
Hello.
Keeping me company while doing this.
Not only company, but also narration. Dave and my dad moved this huge plywood sheet. Yeah, it's a big one. Next up, measurements and marks are needed. Precision is a key here to make sure everything fits just right. Just before cutting, my dad gives a quick lesson on the circular saw.
How exciting. It's the first time I'm using such a tool.
And there it is, the first piece cut. Be sure he's pretty proud of this moment.
first piece ever cut by me.
Now more of the same. Measure, mark, cut, repeat. Each piece brings us closer to our next adventure.
Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by
And just like that, the last piece is done.
AA, that was the last piece. If you're wondering how many plywood do you need, so as you can see behind this remain of plywood there is an entire sheet, so it's more or less a half of sheet of plywood. Hey, so this is another day. Now after cutting all the pieces we will try to put them inside the trunk and see if everything is as we want it to be, with all the measurements we made before. So what happened is as follow. These parts supposed to be connected to the back part from the side. So it is connected like this, and this supposed to be connected from here. Maybe we will need only to get this a little bit shorter, and then it will be possible to connect everything together. By the way, we don't have an idea what color we're going to paint this, so if you have an idea, we would love to hear your opinion about that, so put that down in the comments below. So we're now starting with the actual construction of the base of the camping kitchen, and for that we're going to need wood glue, a drill, this thing, and a bunch of screws.
little by little, piece by piece, I take back
And that's the first corner. Now let's do another one and put it again in the car so we can verify that everything is in place. I think it looks great. Now we have to connect the middle part and the front part of the refrigerator compartment. We will just connect it as we just connected the sides, so we will spare you those parts. We will jump forward in time and show you the end result.
We had a problem with our mics, so sorry about that. Here is cutting a hole next to the refrigerator handle to make it easier to open. Now it's time to put everything together. You know the drill, pun intended. Glue, drill, and screw. And that wraps up this section with the top of our cooking setup.
So this is for this part of the build. I've already put the refrigerator inside. As you can see, it's pretty much leveled as planned, and the access hole is just where it's supposed to be. So this sums up the end of this video. If you want to watch us continuing and building a drawer and a platform bed for this camping setup, please press this video or check out our latest video. Thank you for watching. Bye.